Hi everyone, I'm Soraya. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, it's a quick one, but it did take me a long time. I just cut out a lot of stuff because there was just too much to really show you. So I wanted to show you kind of the highlights of this painting. It is an older painting that I had. I wanted to change it up. I thought it was a bit too bright and I wanted to tone down the whole painting. So that's what I did. I used a brush and a sponge, and with those two and a few colors that I already had in the painting, I changed it up and kind of made it look like it was glowing from behind. So toned it down, but color is coming through. So it's quite exciting when to see that. So I'm happy to show you this painting today, and let me know what you think about it. Do you like the before? I like the after, but let me know what you think. So to start off, I wanted to show you the before. Very bright, lots of colors, but like I said, I wanted to tone it down. And often when that happens, you get this beautiful glow that comes from behind. It kind of comes up from behind. You're toning everything down, but those colors are coming through. So that's what I mean by coming up from behind. They're showing through what you're putting on top. So sometimes the colors are opaque, that you basically cover everything, but if you get kind of semi-transparent colors or transparent colors, you can go over what's already there, and then the colors that are there will shine through, will come through, so you're not completely covering it all. So I think it worked really well this time. Using this brush, I feel very comfortable using it, and I'm showing you how it is just a simple little sponge that I use every day. Even I use some of those for washing dishes. I start off with a dry sponge, and I did not wet the sponge in this painting at all. It was completely dry the whole time. I just use the various colors by switching up one end or the other end, and then using this one brush to kind of give the more detailed look that I wanted to give for added interest. I know this is a pretty short video, just giving you the highlights on it. It did take me quite a long time to change things up, but I wanted to show you again the highlights on how to do something like this. If you have a painting that you want to change up, this is the way to do it. You have many tutorials, videos on my channel that you can go back and listen to, watch completely, so that you can understand what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Lots and lots of videos on different subject matters. Sometimes they're seascapes and sometimes abstracts or landscapes. I kind of try and give you as much information as I can. If there is any information that you would like, just get a hold of me, contact me via the comments or via my email, and I'll make sure to answer any questions that you may have. Now, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you haven't already done so, hit the little like button for the video. That helps me out. And also share and click on the bell icon. It's that little icon that looks like a bell. It gives you notices whenever I upload a new video, so you don't miss any. If you're an artist, I'm curious to know if you have tried my technique with the sponge. I know some people have and I'm happy to hear from them whenever they let me know. Let me know if you have. I'm always interested. I love the sound of a brush scratching the canvas. It makes me feel happy. What do you feel about it? Let me know. Okay, I'm crouching down on my knees so that you could see it up close. I'm done. I am happy with the way it was toned down. It needed to be toned down after I kept looking at it, just because those colors were a bit bright, and I like where you can see color, but it's not in your face color, kind of, you know what I mean? That kind of looks like it's glowing. See that? Love that. as with this one here, and also these colors coming from here. Now this kind of line to me, I'm thinking it's kind of like a soul who has arrived, and the painting is going to be called I'll Be Waiting for You. Kind of spiritual, but I feel a lot of my paintings are. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do you like this painting? You think it's too much? Whatever you think, let me know. I'd love to hear from you.